This is the most underrated jollof rice ever made. I tried adding coconut milk to my jollof, and here is what happened. With no further ado, let's get cooking. In a clean pan, I will go ahead to add coconut oil. Remember, we are making coconut jollof rice, and then allow that to melt. After that, I'll go ahead to add onions. Next, I'll fry this for a few seconds, and then I'll go ahead to add the next ingredient, which is going to be our ginger and garlic paste. Remember, we are building flavor. We'll go ahead to stir this up again and then fry that for another few seconds. Next, I'll go ahead to add curry powder. After that, I will go ahead to add the next ingredient, which is paprika pepper. Guys, if you have watched up to this point, please go ahead to subscribe. Then I'll add another pepper. Subscribe, like, share, and leave your comment in the comment section. Then I will go ahead to stir this up and allow that to fry. Next, I'll go ahead to add my yellow bell pepper. Instead of red bell pepper, I went ahead to use yellow bell pepper for this. And I use food processor to rough blend it. I'll cover this to cook for a few minutes, and then I'll open up the pan. Now I'll go ahead to add some salt and Maggi. Where are you watching from? Please let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a visual hug. So I'll go ahead to stir that after adding my seasoning. Next, I'll go ahead to add my parboiled rice. I parboiled this because the rice is a little bit hard. It's not basmati. You can go ahead to use basmati or use any rice of your choice. After adding the rice, I'll just go ahead to toast this for a few seconds, and then I'll go ahead to add the meat stock. After adding it, I'll go ahead to add the next ingredient, which is the main ingredient, the coconut milk. This took this jollof to another level. Guys, remember we are cooking jollof. So after adding, I'll go ahead to add more water into this and then stir everything together. If you are watched up to this point, please go ahead to subscribe, like, and share. So after stirring, I'll just go ahead to use all paper to trap all the stains that want to come out from the pot. So I will just go ahead to do this and then reduce the heat. That is the secret to jollof. So I cooked that for 15 to 20 minutes. Then I opened up the pan. Then I went ahead to stir this up again so that it will not burn at this first stage. So after stirring, I'll go ahead to cover it again for another 10 to 15 minutes on a low medium heat. Then I'll open it up again and give it a stir. At this point, our jollof is almost ready, but not yet ready. After stirring it, I left it again for another 2 to 3 minutes. So after 2 to 3 minutes, this is what we have. Our coconut jollof rice is ready. I went ahead to pair mine with some turkey and boiled egg. What will you be pairing yours with? Will you add some coleslaw? Will you add some salad? Please let me know in the comment section. And if you have enjoyed this video, you watched up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much. And don't also forget to leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video and keep eating good food. Bye bye.